Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to get your referral link on Bitfinex. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in bitfinex.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Bitfinex if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top, we have the traders, lenders, about and more. We have the sign out button and return to platform. Also in the very middle of the screen, as you can see, we have the start trading button, which is one of the main buttons here. But now guys, let's see how you can get your referral link on Bitfinex. So it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So first of all, of course, go and log into your Bitfinex account. Then in the top bar menu, click on more and select affiliate program. When you click more here, as you can see in the top right corner, we have the affiliate program, which you need to go, of course, and click on. Then in the refer a friend section, you need to go and click click on get referral link. So you need to go and find the refer a friend section, and there, when you find it, of course, you just need to go and click that. So you can enter a label for your code to better track its performance. Once you've done this, you'll have your referral link ready to share with others. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.